Okay, I'm out here, King Street West, Porchetta Co. Stopped here on my, because I'm on a live stream without with yours truly, Liz OC. And this will be my food review for their poutine. Look at that, chicken gravy. Fries look great. Obviously, then it's nice and light in the fries. That means they're great, or their oil is new, fresh oil. Looks great. Okay, look at that. Go get in here. Oh, look at the crispy pieces as well. Okay, I would want, yeah. This is very good. Happy dance. The cheese curds, they're not mounting. That I would say they would. Look at this crispy piece. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's very good. Another crispy piece. I love their fries now. I have to come back here for fries now. This is amazing. So this will probably be a short review, but it's so good, yeah. So I would say, just you know, the cheese curds could be mounted, but overall it's very good. The gravy is lovely. It's peppery. Tastes very good. Very good. I'd still say it's a 5-star review here. So 5-star review. Stop in at Porchetta for their poutine. My 5-star review here on King Street. King in Portland, put it that way. The Toronto's Entertainment District. Take your bite. So the more I taste this gravy, I'm getting like a Kentucky Fried Chicken gravy back in the day, how it used to be. So yeah, it's even better actually. Back inside Porchetta on King Street West. Time to kill, so I thought I'll come back for the poutine again. Have a poutine fix, and I'm gonna try their fried chicken. I haven't even I'm gonna add this to the first one. So, waiting for my food. Getting extra gravy this time. I hope the music is gonna kill this recording. Fried chicken at Porchetta on King Street. Oh, it's hot. Their poutine is good. Second time having it. Well, third time really. Their gravy tastes like KFC gravy. I'm gonna use a knife and fork, it doesn't work.